Hello, children. Welcome to our online class. My name is Mr. Victor, and today we are going to be learning how to format text in Microsoft Word. We're going to be learning how to create a simple document using Microsoft Word. Now, at the end of today's class, we will learn how to apply different styles of heading in Microsoft Word. We are going to learn how to use bold and underline. We'll also learn how to change the font size and also the font style of a text in Microsoft Word. Now, before we go deep into our class or before we go into the practical session, I want us to know and understand the particular program we are using, which is called Microsoft Word. Most of us might have used it before. Some of us we are just hearing it for the first time. Microsoft Word is a computer program used for typing documents. Now, documents such as letters, examination questions, reports, all these are documents that are created using Microsoft Word. So in this class, I'll be showing us how we can use Microsoft Word to create a very simple and short document. So the first thing we need to do is for us to launch Microsoft Word. So you click on your start, then you type Word, W-R-D, then you click Word here and it loads. So when you get to this page here, the next thing you do is to click on blank document. Yes, so this is the Microsoft Word interface. So I'm going to be showing us how we can create a very simple document, starting with the heading. Because when you're creating a document, it's most of the documents we create always have heading. And when you're creating heading, your heading should be either bold or use underline, or better still, you can make all the letters capital letters. So these are some of the qualities of a good heading. So let's start. So I want to type this. Let me type to my mom. Letter to my mom. So now if you notice this text that I just typed here, it is actually small. It is looking small. So if you want to increase the font size, all you just need to do is just to highlight. You use your mouse and you hover the text. Once it is highlighted like this, you come to this part here. You see that you have this number here. Click on this arrow beside it. Then you have this drop down. So you can increase the font size. So now I'm increasing the font size. Let me leave it for 24. Good. So I have 24 now. This is the font size. So if I want to make this bold, all I just need to do is to highlight it. Now that it's highlighted, I can click here to make it bold. Right now it is bold. Now one more thing we can add to this, we can also use underline. So we can either use underline or we can use bold, depending on what you want. Right now this is underline and it's looking like a heading. Anyone that sees this will actually know that this is the heading of this particular document that I want to create. So let me highlight it again and make it bold. Yes. So I don't want to use underline, so I'll just come here, click on it, and the line goes off. The next thing I want to show you is, let's say for instance, I want to change everything to uppercase. After typing this, one thing you should know in Microsoft Word, when you type your text, you can actually edit that text. You can style it to anyhow you want it. So, but before you style a text, you need to highlight that text first. After highlighting it, then you can now come to make any adjustment that you want. So, I've showed us how to use underline. I've also showed us how to use bold. Now, what if you want to now change this from a sentence case like this to maybe uppercase? I want to change everything here to uppercase. So what I'll just do is I'll come to this icon here. You can see where you have change case. When you click on the arrow, we have sentence case, we have lowercase. You see everything now has been changed to lowercase. Then we have uppercase. Yes, this is what I want. Everything now has been changed to uppercase. Now, if you want to capitalize each word, you do this. You see each word here, the first letter of each word is capitalized. Then, so for this class, we'll just use uppercase. Yes, this uppercase is good, and I'm using bold. So one more thing, I want to put this at the center. So I'll just come, click on the center alignment. Yes, so it's already at the center alignment, just like this. Good. So I can also change the font style too. Now, just like every one of us here, we have different handwriting. You know, when we write, our writings are not always the same. Also, on the computer, when you are typing a document, you can actually change your font style. So you just come to this part where you have Calibri body. There's an arrow here. You click the arrow. These are the different font style. Wow. So you can see as I'm scrolling down each of these font style, it is actually changing. Now, if I want to use Bookman, I can use Bookman. Or if I want to use Calibri Light, I can use this. So any one of your choice, you can actually explore all of them if you have that time. If you found the one you want, I think I love this. I love this font. So I'll just use this one. Okay, so now I'm done with my heading. I now want to start typing my document. After you are done typing this, you press the enter key to move to the next line. Mind you, since we use the center alignment, we have 4 types of alignment. We have the left alignment. Sorry, let me bring this up here. We have left alignment, we have center alignment, we have right alignment, and we have justified alignment. So this alignment basically helps us to position our text on our desktop page, on our documents page, rather. So I'll just put this at the center, just like this. Then I will press the enter key on the keyboard to move to the next line. Then you notice this insertion point is still here. So what I want to do now is to move it to the left so that I can start typing my document. So I'll just come, change it to the left alignment. Then I'll remove this from bold. I don't want it to be bold. I click this. And also, I need to reduce this font size. Let me reduce it to 18 is okay. Then I want to change my font style to Bookman. Then I can start typing. So let's assume you want to type a very beautiful letter to your mom. This is how you start. You start by creating your heading. Then after you're done creating your heading, then you start typing. I love my mom, my mommy so much. Full stop, then give a space. She is the best mom in the whole world. Okay, let me use she cooks the best meal and she always take good care of me. Yeah, so you can continue, you can go on and on and on. I'm very sure most of us here you have beautiful words that you want to tell your mom. So you can actually put it in writing just like this. You start by creating your heading, then you type a very wonderful letter to your mom or your dad. Yes, or you can even write to both. You can write a letter to your dad and you can also write a letter to your mom. I'm very sure they will appreciate it so much. So guys, I will end the class here. So I want you guys to practice what you've learned and write a very beautiful letter to your parents. So thank you. I believe you enjoyed today's class. We'll see ourselves in the next video. Bye for now.